everybody, let's see what we are going to create today. It's looking beautiful and it has some options that we are going to create. Okay, let's see how we can create that. At first, we need to insert a new slide. In the new slide, we are going to format the background. And for the background color, I'm going to use this color. It's good, and apply it to all. Okay, after doing that, we need to create these rectangles. They are just simply three rectangles that we need to create. I'm going to create them one by one, and reduce it in size. Hold Ctrl to create a copy, then reduce the size. Another time, hold Ctrl to create a copy. Now hold it to reduce the size. Okay, we created. Press Ctrl A, go here in shadows, set them to inner shadows, and format the outline to none. Then we need to color them up. For the color, I think I use this color. Let's go by that. And the last but the least, okay, everything is ready. Now we just need to copy the text. This text is here, we copy that. Now, some of you may say, how we delete this? It has a way. We reduce its size, and after reducing its size, you see, after reducing the size, the key point is that we go here, set the shadow to none, and then fill to no fill. You see, the key for creating this thing is that. Now we copy the thing, the text, paste it here. Let me color it black. Copy that. Do the same thing, set the shadow to none and the outline to no fill. Then change the text to the last text. Now set the transition to morph and see what we created. You see, it has a great effect. I hope you enjoyed. If you like it, tell me in the comments and ask me if you need anything. I will answer you. Have a nice time.